Valued patient and dear followers, I am Dr. Kuntal Soni from Aura Dental, committed for world-class smiling solutions. Do you have worn and aged-looking teeth? You want major change in your smile? You have worn and very sensitive teeth? You have lost your back teeth and now front teeth are chipping? You have headaches, joint pain and clicking joints? You want very fast and accurate treatment during your visit to India? Well, any one of the above is true, then you are an ideal candidate for full mouth rehabilitation. Now let us see what is full mouth rehabilitation treatment. First, when a dental treatment is to be done in a multiple segments with a great precision. 2. When teeth are not in harmony with the chewing motion, and with the treatment, teeth need to be harmonized with a joint. And lastly, you want very fast and accurate treatment during your visit to India. Then treatment is carried out using a special technology, equipment and a treatment protocol known as full mouth rehabilitation. Now see how the full mouth rehabilitation treatment is carried out. First of all, a mountography test is done. You can see my previous video on mountography, but in a nutshell, in a mountography, patient's teeth, upper and lower teeth, impression is made, plaster model is created, and they are oriented so that patient's jaw movement is simulated outside of the mouth so that dentist can diagnose and plan the treatment. So after mountography, using a special type of wax, a wax mock-up is created. With this, dentist can plan patient's treatment, and secondly, dentist can visualize end result of the treatment for dentist, for the technician and for the patient. After this, computer guided and computer milled acrylic temporary is made and that is given to the patient so that patient can feel and experience his smile and chewing efficiency before the final treatment is completed. And second thing, dentist can judge whether the new teeth position is in harmony with the joint or not. At the end, final teeth are made using the material like composite, porcelain fused to metal and zirconia or a Emax known as lithium disilicate. Dentistry in past, treatment were limited to patient's need only. But now with the latest technology and treatment protocol, patient can have smile of his desire and get the lifelong lasting teeth. If you have any of the problem, do call or schedule a virtual consultation with us. If you want to see cases related to this topic, you can visit our website auradental.com. Do call, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.